Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys my room tour for my college apartment for the time being. Don't be afraid to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and let's get into the video. Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a hot minute since I have uploaded a video, but I have a good reason. I have moved, not like moved homes, but I moved back to college. This is my first time back to school since last May. I think last May. It's been a really long time. I stayed home for my first semester of classes and online school was awful, so I decided that second semester I was gonna come and take my classes in person. It's blended learning, so I only go to one class per class once a week, so it's definitely a lot more spaced out, but at least I can get the in-person help from professors that I need. So I'm definitely excited to be back. I am in an apartment with Brookie, who I was roommates with last year, and you guys have seen her a few times on my channel, and then Reagan, who I have known since high school, and I'm sure you guys will see a lot more of her. You've seen her on my other channel and my vlogs and stuff, so that's exciting. But yeah, a lot has gone on. So basically I think it's been like a month since I've last uploaded, which has been a really long time from how I've been uploading recently, but I drove down to school about a week ago. I drove from Oregon down to Arizona, so it's about a 20-hour drive, and we stopped in a town called Winnemucca, and we also stopped in Vegas for the night, which was really cool because I had never been to Vegas before. I do have a vlog of that video that is going to be going up on my other YouTube channel soon, which is more my life channel and just stuff that's more, I don't know, like friendly basis, not so focused on like makeup. And then December 22nd, my family lost one of our puppies, so that was really hard to go through, and I still feel like I'm not even like letting myself go through that yet, just because I didn't get to say goodbye. So my head still doesn't think that she's gone, especially because I'm here. Like, I still think she's at home with my family, so that's definitely like a little bit rough to process right now. And these last few weeks have just been like super chaotic, and like moving in and driving down and packing and then losing Ruby, and it's just been a lot. So I feel like now I'm kind of like settled in and I can start filming again. And yeah, because I missed filming. I have been reading all of you guys' comments under my videos, and you guys are literally so sweet. I can't get over it. I read everything and I appreciate it all. I try to reply to everything when I can, but I did just start up classes recently, so sometimes it might be a little hard. So I've definitely been super excited to get back to filming again because I miss it so stinking much. Like, I literally miss filming and just like chatting and then like just getting to interact with you guys a lot. Something I have been doing though is going live on TikTok and doing real life like tutorials and stuff like that. So I'm definitely going to be doing that more now that I'm settled in again. So feel free to comment any tutorials that you guys would want to see me do on there. So I did my Sephora look that I had to do for them, and I was like a little bit, I texted one of my best friends, Rachel, and I was like, will you please like stay on there if no one goes on there? And then a decent amount of you actually went on and like interacted with me, and I got to talk with you guys, so that was super fun. So I'm definitely going to be doing more of that stuff and just like interacting with you guys, because like honestly that's kind of like all I care about. Like, I just want to do makeup and like have a community and talk with you guys about makeup new launches, products, favorites and not favorites, and stuff like that. So I'm definitely excited to be back and start filming again, and I get to show you guys a little bit more of my like college life, which is super exciting. If you guys don't know, I'm a film major. I am studying a lot of film classes, which is really nice because I am taking a non-linear editing class right now, so it'll also like help me in the terms of editing for my YouTube channel, which I think is really cool. So that's definitely really exciting, and I'm super excited to be able to kind of share this with you guys and like my experience at college and stuff. So I figured what's the best way to start off with giving you guys my dorm room tour. But anyway, I'm excited to get back to filming and chatting with you guys and trying new products. Let me know if there's any new products that you guys want me to try. Not even new products, any products that you want me to try, or like a specific brand you want to see me try. I'm down for either or. And yeah, just feel free to let me know, put it in the comment section down below, and we can do that. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna finish up my makeup and I will get back to you guys later. Okay, voila, I am done. Let me show you my fit for the day. For today, we're wearing urban ripped jeans. I'll probably throw on some black Converse. And then this cute little like corset top from White Fox. And then I have a urban flannel, and that's kind of the fit for the day. It is a Tuesday, so I don't have any in classes today, so that's really nice. So I just kind of have to chill, do some homework, and kind of prep for my in-person classes that are happening on Thursday and Friday. All right, that is the end of the video. Thank you, beauties, so much for watching. I'm excited to get back to filming again. I missed you guys. So other than that, don't be afraid to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, beauties.